What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cool Product. Today we are looking at the top 5 best acoustic guitars for beginners. Whether you are a complete novice or picking up the strings again, we have the perfect options lined up for you right here. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Vevor Acoustic Guitars for Beginners. Vevor Acoustic Guitar for Beginners is a 30-inch classical acoustic guitar designed to make learning music easier, smoother, and far more enjoyable right from the very first practice session, especially for new learners who want a comfortable and reliable start. It is built with a premium basswood top and back, which helps produce a warm and balanced acoustic sound, while also keeping the body strong, stable, and reliable for everyday practice and long-term use, making it a dependable choice for consistent learning. The nylon strings feel soft and gentle on the fingers, making it much easier for beginners to practice longer sessions without discomfort, especially during early-stage finger strengthening and technique building that requires patience and repetition. With its tight string-to-fret spacing, it reduces finger strain and allows smoother and faster chord changes, helping new players build confidence and comfort step by step while improving their playing flow. The high-precision tuning pegs help the guitar stay in tune more reliably and make tuning adjustments simple, accurate, and stress-free even for complete first-time users who are still learning the basics. An included tuner adds extra convenience, giving quick and precise tuning so learners can spend more time actually playing music instead of struggling with setup or constant retuning issues during practice. It also features a classic retro wooden design with a refined finish, along with reinforced binding that improves durability and protects against daily impacts, regular handling, and long practice sessions over time. Thanks to its compact 30-inch size, it is highly portable and easy to carry anywhere, making it a great choice for home practice, classrooms, lessons, or travel use without feeling bulky or inconvenient. Everything comes as a complete starter kit, including a gig bag for safe transport, a dust cloth for easy maintenance, extra strings for replacements, picks for smooth strumming, a shoulder strap for comfortable playing, and a capo for exploring different musical keys and sounds, giving beginners a ready-to-use setup from day one. With its beginner-friendly design, quality materials, and complete accessory set, the Vevor Acoustic Guitar for Beginners gives new players everything they need to confidently start and continue their musical journey with steady progress and enjoyable practice every day. Next up, at number 4, we have the Lankro Acoustic Guitars for Beginners. Lankro Acoustic Guitars for Beginners delivers a complete ready-to-play experience for new learners, making the first steps of learning guitar easier, smoother, and more enjoyable from the very beginning. Designed with a high-quality selected basswood body for the top, back, and sides, it produces a rich, bright, and well-balanced sound that helps beginners hear clear tones clearly while practicing every day. Every guitar is handcrafted by experienced workers, giving consistent build quality and fine attention to detail that improves durability and long-term use. The instrument also features an X-bracing structure that enhances tone balance, delivering warm depth along with crisp brightness and better acoustic projection. Its 38-inch cutaway classical-style body allows easy access to higher frets while keeping the guitar comfortable and lightweight for daily practice, offering smooth handling for new players. The ergonomic C-shaped neck and 3/4-size steel string design make it easier for different hand sizes to hold and play, reducing strain and improving finger placement for beginners. A Tech ebony bridge adds extra comfort and supports stable string performance, helping maintain smooth playability during long practice sessions. High-quality tuning machines keep the guitar stable in tune for longer periods, so beginners can focus more on learning instead of constant adjustments during practice sessions. One of the biggest highlights is the all-in-one beginner kit, which includes a waterproof gig bag, digital tuner, extra strings, strap, picks, capo, cleaning cloth, and a beginner guitar book, giving everything needed to start right away so you can begin playing immediately without needing extra purchases. This makes it a perfect choice for new learners, students, or anyone starting music, and it also works as a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, graduations, and special celebrations. Taking the third spot is the Joymusic Acoustic Guitars for Beginners. Joymusic Acoustic Guitars for Beginners are designed to offer an accessible, comfortable, and well-balanced playing experience for new learners as well as casual musicians. Built with a focus on ease of use, these guitars feature a smaller size and lighter weight, making them especially suitable for beginners or players with smaller hands. This thoughtful design helps reduce strain during practice sessions and encourages longer, more enjoyable learning periods. One of the key highlights of the Joymusic acoustic guitar range is its portability. It strikes a practical balance between a full-size guitar and a compact travel model, allowing users to enjoy both home practice and on-the-go playing. Whether you are learning chords indoors or carrying it for outdoor sessions, the design supports flexible musical lifestyles. In terms of sound quality, the folk-style acoustic body delivers a warm and rich tone that fits a wide variety of genres. From folk and country to pop music, the instrument produces a natural resonance that enhances both strumming and fingerstyle techniques, making it a versatile companion for developing musical skills. Each package is designed as a full beginner bundle, providing essential accessories needed to start playing right away. This typically includes a strap with a picks holder, a digital tuner, a full set of strings, a capo, a cleaning cloth, 6 picks, and a protective gig bag. With these additions, beginners can avoid extra purchases and focus entirely on learning and practice. Another important advantage is its affordability. Joymusic acoustic guitars are positioned as a cost-effective option, offering solid value for those who want a reliable starter instrument without a high investment. This makes it an attractive choice for students, hobbyists, and first-time guitar owners looking for a complete and budget-friendly musical solution. Coming in at number 2 is the Ashthorpe Acoustic Guitars for Beginners. Ashthorpe Acoustic Guitar for Beginners is designed as a complete starting point for students and teens who want to begin their musical journey with an easy-to-play and well-equipped instrument. Built in a compact 38-inch size, it features an easy-to-hold neck, 18 smooth frets, and 6 pre-installed steel strings that support comfortable finger placement and smoother practice sessions. Its low string action helps reduce finger fatigue, making it easier for beginners to learn chords and strumming techniques from the very beginning. Crafted with linden wood on the top, back, and sides, this acoustic guitar delivers a warm, balanced tone suitable for a wide range of playing styles. The high-gloss finish enhances its visual appeal while also contributing to durability. Whether playing soft melodies or stronger strumming patterns, the instrument maintains clear projection and consistent sound quality, making it a reliable choice for early learners who want to explore different musical expressions. This beginner guitar is more than just an instrument. It comes as a complete learning kit. The package includes a carrying bag for easy transport, 3 picks, a shoulder strap, extra strings, and a digital tuner to ensure accurate tuning anytime. It also offers access to 4 months of free app-based lessons, featuring step-by-step guidance, thousands of songs, and built-in tuning tools to support structured learning at home or on the go. With its combination of beginner-friendly design, durable tone woods, and a full accessory set, the Ashthorpe acoustic guitar provides a practical and supportive foundation for anyone starting out in music, helping learners build confidence, consistency, and skill through guided practice and enjoyable playing experiences. And finally, our top pick, the Pyle Acoustic Guitars for Beginners. The Pyle Acoustic Guitars for Beginners are thoughtfully designed to support new learners on their musical journey with comfort, durability, and complete learning resources. Built with an all-wood construction, these guitars use 100% wood components along with internal X-bracing support. This structure helps maintain proper string alignment, improves intonation, and ensures a smooth playing experience for beginners. Featuring a 3/4 size 36-inch body, the guitar is especially suitable for younger players aged 7 to 11, while also being a great option for adults who prefer easier finger reach and simpler chord transitions. The instrument is finished with a 7-coat glossy layer, giving it an attractive appearance while also protecting it from humidity and everyday wear. To make starting easier, the package includes a complete accessory bundle. Users receive guitar picks, an adjustable shoulder strap, a cleaning cloth, and a zippered carrying case with backpack-style straps and an accessory pocket, making transport and storage convenient. Modern learning support is also integrated through the Pyle mobile tuner app, which is free to use without any subscription or login. It provides guided setup and tuning assistance, along with helpful product care videos. The app-based tuning system offers a more accurate and user-friendly alternative to traditional clip-on tuners. In addition, beginners gain access to 2 months of online lessons, including thousands of hours of tutorials, exercises, and popular song guides. This flexible learning system allows users to progress at their own pace from any device, making practice more accessible and structured. Overall, the Pyle Beginner Acoustic Guitar Package combines quality craftsmanship, user-friendly design, and educational support, making it a well-rounded choice for anyone starting your guitar learning experience. Finding the perfect guitar can completely change your musical journey. Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on these amazing instruments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome recommendations.